in the previous video we have solved two sum problem. In this video we are going to solve the remove element from the LeetCode. Okay, in this problem they are given an integer array and an integer value. Our task is to just remove all the occurrence of the value in our array, and we just want to return the size of the array after the removal of that value from the array. Okay, let me explain how we are going to do this problem. Okay, now we have one array, example array 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, and they have given one value that is 3. We just want to remove all the 3 from an array, and we want to return the balance length of our array. Okay, in this problem, our output will be 2 after removing all the 3 in the array. Now, we are going to solve this in brute force solution just using simple for loop. Okay, let me explain how we are going to do this solution. So first we are going to take one variable that is I starting from our first value I equal to 0. And we will iterate throughout the array that is n minus 1. Then we are going to check. We are just going to check if our array of I is not equal to our value, then we will change in our value that we are going to take one index value starting from 0 and we are going to replace it our array. So now our array of index, that is array of 0, starting from 0, we will have that array of I value. Then if we are going to return that index, first our I will 0 and it will check our array of I, that is array of 0 is not equal to our value. So it is false, it will not inside this array. Then it will goes to this 3 and it will check whether the array of 1 is equal to value. Once it is not equal to this value, it is just going to index plus plus, because we want to increase the index, then we want to change the values. Okay, then our I will be at this place I equal to 2. Then it will check our condition, array of 2 element is not equal to our 3. It is true and it will store the array of index 0th value. We will store the array of I, right? Then our index will increment by 1. Then the I will be goes to here. That is I equal to 3. Then it will check array of 3 is not equal to our value 3. It is true. Then in array of index, that is now the index value is 1. Now our index value is 1. In the array of index 1, it will store the 2. Then our I will move to this last element, that is I equal to 4. It will check if our array of I 4th element is not equal to our 3. No, it is same as the value array of 4, 3 equal to 3. So this condition is not pass. Then finally we will return our index value, that is 2. Okay, now we will try to solve this in LeetCode. First we are going to get one index starting from 0. Then we are going to take one for loop, I less than nums dot size I plus plus. Then we want to check if our nums of I is not equal to our value. We just going to nums of index equal to nums of I. Then we just want to increment our index. Finally, we just want to return our index. Now let me run this and see whether our solution is correct or wrong. So hopefully all the test cases have passed. Now we will try to submit this. Okay, we have a 100% solution. That means we have done in both brute force and optimal. Thank you for this opportunity and listening to me. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.